Breaking news in the Central Falls bankruptcy. A hearing is underway right now in bankruptcy court that could determine what happens next in that cash-strapped city. Eyewitness News cameras were rolling as the city's state-appointed receiver, Robert Flanders, walked into court a short time ago. Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly is live with the Providence Mobile Newsroom with the breaking details. Sean.
Yes, Patrick, Rhode Island is the first city, Central Falls is the first city in Rhode Island ever to declare bankruptcy, and now a federal judge for the first time is conducting a hearing in this complicated and emotional case. Rhode Island's smallest and poorest city, Central Falls, is making history. This morning, Eyewitness News cameras were rolling as lawyers for all the various players in this high-stakes drama gathered at federal bankruptcy court in Providence, including the receiver for Central Falls, retired state Supreme Court Justice Robert Flanders. On Monday, he filed for Chapter 9 bankruptcy protection. This is the first court hearing in what promises to be a marathon round of court hearings. This also is the first time a municipality in Rhode Island has ever been declared insolvent, bankrupt, broke. On Monday, Robert Flanders took drastic action. He voided the city's existing contracts with its workers. He cut in half the pensions of most public safety retirees and ordered them to start paying 20% of their health care costs. Rhode Island General Treasurer Gina Raimondo, who is leading a move to fix the state's deeply troubled pension system, says the message from this bankruptcy is clear for many cities and towns in Rhode Island and for the state of Rhode Island itself. Make radical changes to your pension systems or face bankruptcy yourself.
Nobody wants to make the tough choices. Central Falls proves that these choices will be made for you. If you don't act quickly enough, consequences will be devastating. And so, as hard as this is now for me, for the governor, for union leaders to come to the table to fix it, it is much easier to fix it now than when you're at the brink of bankruptcy.
And inside court today, the lawyer for Robert Flanders made essentially the same point. Essentially, the idea is it's now or never. And if you don't deal with it now, all you're doing is kicking the can down the road, in the phrase of the moment. And that apparently is not now what Central Falls is doing, nor, this guy argued, what anyone else should do here either. Live in Providence with the Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.
And of course, you can count on Eyewitness News for continuing coverage of Central Falls bankruptcy filing. We'll have the very latest on Eyewitness News beginning live at 5. We also have extended coverage online at WPRI.com, including a timeline of Central Falls financial troubles and how the bankruptcy filing could impact the rest of Rhode Island.